Uh-oh, he's literally throwing up.
What?
Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so sad. That's so sad.
That's our first clip?
That's the first clip. It was supposed to be like cute, but he's literally puking.
Oh no, baby love.
Sonny's a puker.
Oh my god, and I just heard my period. Oh my god.
Tony, are you okay?
Are you okay, my love?
Tony, are you okay? I think he's okay. That sucks. Okay, so there's his white van that has been parked at the exact same spot for now 6 days. It hasn't moved. We parked near them on the first day that we got here. We were like, is anyone there? Are they okay? But for the first time, I now see that their door's open, so everything's okay. They're not dead or being weird or anything. They're just not moving. I'm surprised they have that much water.
Hello, puppy.
Kelly always makes me take off her pillowcase. You know, it's good for the skin.
Come back, bitch. Just come. Sunny.
Good morning everyone and welcome to day 5 of vlogging our everyday life living in a van. We've been camping in the same place every single night, but there's new pull-offs that we find ourselves in because the ones that we were in last night or the night before are taken every single time, but I swear each time gets cooler and cooler. We have this whole little rock wall, little privacy section that people seem to have campfires at. We can rock climb, and this free BLM land is literally less than 15 minutes from the main town of Bend, and there's service, and it's just like heaps and heaps of campsites, so it doesn't really matter when you show up, you will find a spot, which is why this place is so cool and a huge reason why I can see why Bend is one of the most popular places to live in a van and travel in a van. If you saw our video yesterday, which I'll put up here and in the description below if you haven't, we had a huge issue trying to find water to fill up our water tank. So that is going to be probably one of the first things we do today because we can't cook or drink or just have like a regular life unless we have water. So that is going to be on the agenda today. Enough talking, let's go get there.
Look at that. And we got that beautiful background. Are you kidding me? Cottagecore life. Oh my gosh, we gotta add the lavender that we got. The honey.
I forgot we bought this thing. We bought this at the farmer's market on Saturday in Bend. It's a local honey farm. And they leave the vanilla beans in here for 6 weeks before they sell it.
Okay, look, you can see specks. You can see the vanilla bean specks in here. Oh my gosh.
Because you didn't taste it, right? Mm-mm. So good, right?
It's like a honey ice cream flavor. Also, did you know that if you eat local honey from the area that you're in, it helps with seasonal allergies?
I need that. Give me the whole thing, because my allergies are crazy here.
It's sunny out again. That is a good freaking latte. Now that we have the espresso machine, it's really hard to make an excuse to go out to coffee. The only way we can really justify going out to coffee now is if we get iced. Ice and acquiring ice is definitely a little bit hard in our tiny fridge. Sam has been really struggling with his allergies out here. I personally don't really get allergies, so it kind of sucks that most places we go, it's very tough for him.
Yeah, I really have been going through it.
I'm gonna use Sunny's head as my tripod. Ready, Sunny? You're my tripod. Oh my gosh, stay balanced. Ah, this is working. So Sam's been taking Zyrtec. We're gonna have some honey, local honey. And wow, good job, Sunny. You did the best you could. And if you have any other suggestions for seasonal allergies, let us know. So there's like van etiquette, kind of, where when you pass another camper van, you're supposed to be like, or like, and so often we get denied. Like, watch, ready?
Oh no, we got it.
Oh, he did it!
He did it. I feel bad because sometimes I'll just be like not paying attention and then a van will pass me like, I just made them feel bad, you know?
True, it's difficult though because sometimes I feel like we will do the classic peace sign and then they don't do it back. They say Sprinter van people don't wave most often, and we're trying to change that.
They think they're too good for it or something.
Yeah, they think they're too good for it apparently. Not us though, we are not too good for anything. The way that I have so much trust in this mug full of hot coffee.
Hey, look! Tony!
Sunny!
Oh, there it is! Look at
ocean roll and an everything croissant.
Little taste test.
So apparently the Sparrow Bakery is known for their ocean roll.
Rip it off.
Where we even be? Let's go in the center. That's the best part.
I gotta go on the side. You go in the center.
Cheers.
Oh my god, today's like Lucky Charms. Oh my god.
It has like a little bit of lemon zest or something.
This is the best pastry I've ever had in my entire life.
Really?
Ooh, what a catch. Right down. Oh, and what a catch by Cal. So, we have figured out 10 bucks to fill up our water tank. We are at an RV park that we drove to yesterday, but the office was closed, so we couldn't go pay to use the water tank. But today, we're all good. $10, a little expensive to be honest. Within America, we've never really paid to fill up our water, but here it seems to be the only option for safe, drinkable water. But that's fine. It is what it is.
Us road life people need to come together and figure out a way to find more accessible, drinkable water. Because $10 is a lot when we're not even dumping our tanks here.
Not bad, babe. Chillin' like a villain. Oh my god, it bounced off something.
What'd you just throw at me? A piece of caulk. This is the current setup. I'm sitting on the ground.
I am basically done for now.
And we are going to go on another gorgeous walk here in Bend. We're going to do that 4-mile loop around the Deschutes River. I was personally obsessed with that loop hike. It is so gorgeous and such a beautiful time of year. And although we kind of need this to be an admin day and get a lot of like work stuff done on our laptop, we need some sunshine and some exercise too. So let's do that.
Kelly, I think it's time to go to Trader Joe's.
Let's go to Trader Joe's.
You're as sweet as lemon tea.
For you, madam. Definitely one of the perks of living in a van is when you go grocery shopping, you don't need bags. You can just bring the cart straight to your refrigerator.
And you can flex on them with your eco-friendly life.
100%. The guy's like, how many bags would you like? None, sir. He's like, but you don't have a bag. I'm like, don't need it. Just put it back in the cart, bruh.
Does anyone else have unloading grocery treats? Because mine is the sour Scandinavian swimmers. That's what I'm gonna chew on while I'm unloading. Look, a little shark. Blue raspberry.
Oh,
These are so good, it's like not okay.
those crack. Woo! We got the same spot as yesterday.
Wait. Go!
Ran out of counter space, so this is what van life gets you. Chopping on your toilet.
Don't judge us.
Don't judge us. If you are, then you've got some problems.
Looking at you, babe.
I'm not doing any ice stuff.
Okay, then I'm good. Ow, ow! Look at this. Sam made us dinner. It's so beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, baby, for making this.
Of course.
Yum!
Don't forget to subscribe to my parents' channel. They work really, really hard in these videos and they would really like your support. It's very easy. You just go like this and you hit subscribe. I don't really understand, but if you could just really subscribe, that would really help me out because I'm really hungry and I'm not kidding, I know!
What he said but the beginning part.
Yes, not the food part. But ironically, even though the sun's out and it's beautiful, I mean, look at how gorgeous it is right now. It's starting to rain. So we gotta quickly get our laptop and get everything inside because we're not trying to get wet.